Today we will discuss a case study of Sarla, who belonged to a poor family. She worked very hard as a clerk in an office and get a very small amount of money in the form of salary. She has always seen her parents struggling to make both end meets and never enjoyed good food or clothes. She doesn't spend money on clothes or other needs. Every month she save a small amount of money and she want to take her parents in a posh restaurant. On the day of anniversary, she surprised her parents by taking them to one of the best restaurants of the city. At the entrance, the security guard look at their cheap clothes and tell them to leave. Sarla thinks that the guard is judging her from her clothes and she tell him that she has money and she can pay for the family's meal very comfortably. To her surprise, the security guard tell her to leave and said that this restaurant is only for rich people. Sarla got hurt and she left the restaurant and went back to home. Let's know more about human dignity. Self-respect is the most important factor in life. Without it, man is a cipher. To live worthily with self-respect, one has to overcome difficulties. This statement is given by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Human dignity or self-respect is a recognition of the fact that every individual is worthy of respect, irrespective of his or her financial status, education qualification, color, caste, religion or region. A democratic government of the people, by the people and for the people has a set of guidelines that is a framework called Constitution. This framework or written Constitution of India defines the rule of law for our country that ensures equality of the citizen of India. One of the most important features of a democratic government is people's power. A democratic government is formed for the people and by the people. Many times in our country, the right to equality is attacked, as in the case of Sarla. People are often discriminating on the basis of financial status. In the Vedic period, the Indian society was divided into castes, but a democratic country completely rejects this. A true democracy protects the dignity of people. Every citizen of